Review. If one is asked to compare two different situations, products, services, publications, events, or pieces of hardware, it's necessary to have the ability to write a proper review. Structure. When writing a review, you should follow this particular structure. Introduction. Briefly explain what are being reviewed. Present the aim or the purpose that the writer wanted to proclaim with the work. Conclude the introduction with a brief statement of a personal evaluation. This could be a positive, negative, or, as in most cases, a mixed response. Evaluation. This should be a balanced discussion that evaluates strengths, weaknesses, and notable features from the reviewed object. A satisfactory review contains other sources to support the evaluation. It is of great importance to use references. In the evaluation, there is an opportunity to attack as well as commend what is being reviewed. Remember to include criticism as well as praise. Conclusion. Restate the overall opinion and then briefly present recommendations. The conclusion should not recapitulate the statement already presented. Instead, it should try to show the response in a valid and significant way, based on what has earlier been described in the evaluation part. Adding new material is not convenient in this part of the text. Content. A review is, as earlier mentioned, supposed to demonstrate both criticism and praise. Moreover, the review should include a description of the item containing a comparison and an evaluation. This should be both concise and clear. Opinions or recommendations of the writer should be placed in the final paragraph. Tips. Here are a few tips that can help you to write a successful review. Describe precisely. Put the reader into the subject. Criticism is more than complaints. Giving constructive critique gives the review a more serious interpretation. An ending should contain the ideas of the writer and, if suitable, a grading. Remember to let someone proofread your work. Constructive criticism is always helpful and can improve your text.